Scientists believe that the amount of moderate to vigorous exercise between the ages of 70 and 75 reduces the risk of developing heart conditions when they are over 80. Researchers have long known that physical activity prolongs life and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. They used the Progetto Veneto Anziani study of 3,099 Italians aged 65 and over. The research has been published in the journal Heart. Initial tests including a detailed medical history, physical examination, scans, and a series of blood tests were performed between 1995 and 1997. Two further assessments followed 4 and 7 years later from the initial test. When the study began, women were more likely than men to have more than 4 coexisting conditions. Osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, and chronic kidney disease are more common in women than men. Meanwhile, diabetes and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease are more common in men than women. Participants filled out a questionnaire about how much exercise they did. Exercises that can be done can vary, from light to heavy. Light exercise includes walking, bowling, and fishing, while vigorous activity includes working out in the gym, cycling, dancing, swimming, and gardening. People who exercise for 20 minutes or more are considered active, while those who do less physical activity are considered inactive. Men who exercise regularly have a 52% lower risk of heart disease than those who tend to avoid it. Exercising at age 70 appears to have the greatest benefits later in life. The sharpest reductions in heart disease and heart failure were found in people who exercised for 20 to 40 minutes a day. These results suggest that public health policies should be targeted at promoting or initiating physical activity in mid and early late life.